morning, guys. Currently I am in the viewpoint of Bukit Cinta, which is that volcano right over there, and this is an amazing place to get an amazing shot of this location. Now obviously you can tell that it's pretty dark right now. It's very early. Right now it's about, I think it's like 5 something. From our Airbnb it took about an hour and 20 minutes to get here, so we got up really early. We basically got up at 4 and we left at 4:30, and now we are here, and it's gonna be really nice to get this beautiful shot. Important to note though, it's pretty sketchy. The roads are very sketchy, especially when you're driving this early, so you have to be very careful. Remember to always stay on the left, and just have the patience to get here. It's gonna be really worth it. So let's check it out and see how it looks. Check it out, guys. This is absolutely amazing.
Oh yeah, you did hear.
Beautiful, beautiful. So this is great. You get the views of the farmland, you get the beautiful volcano, the sunrise. Highly recommended. If you're going to Bali, you have to do this, guys. Forget about the extra sleep. You get all the sleep you need when you're dead. All right, so make sure you get here and enjoy.